And I'm back. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this slime is some hand soap, some salt, a mixing thing, and something to mix with, which is my wooden stick. Okay, so you get your hand soap and you squirt it into the container, as more soap equals more slime. Or you know what? Let's just dump that in there. So now you get your salt, and you need to be very careful with this. Grab a little bit of salt at a time and slowly do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you this before I mix it. Look how liquidy it is. It's really gross. Let me fix you. Okay, so look how weird it is. So, okay. So the key about making this is you need to make it fast. Like, you mix fast. Ready? Go. And you'll know you're doing it right is when the slime, like, changes the colors. Unless you got, like, a pure white. So here we go. It's starting to form. So now when you mix it and you don't think it's slimy enough, just add a little bit of more slime. Or salt. Can't talk today. See, it's starting to slimify, I would say. This is my first, video on my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot this summer. I just got out of school. I'm 15. And yeah. So once you start noticing the slime actually becoming slime, let me move it closer. You just want to keep mixing. Just get a little bit of more salt and sprinkle it in there. And just keep mixing. Do not, oh, gross. Do not, and I repeat, do not put a lot of salt at first. It ruins the slime. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you make slime with only dish soap. Hand soap and salt. I hope you like this video and you subscribe. Thank you.